You're not very fond of the train?
No.
No one ever is. Today is, very unfortunately, Mallory's last day here. She has to leave tomorrow. Because of this, we are going to take today and do everything she wants to do. She wanted to go to Tybee Island, a beach not far from here. This is where we are. I live up here in Savannah. And then way over here is Tybee Island, and that's where we're heading now. I've actually never been here, and it's a popular spot for SCAD students. I guess I just have my fill of the beach at home, so there's really no reason for me to go to the beach here. But we're gonna go today. After we finish up at the beach, we're gonna head downtown and do a little walking, eating, shopping, or something or another. Just spend kind of like our afternoon, evening down there. So that's the plan.
Hey, that's where you used to live.
I did.
Oglethorpe.
I lived on the 3rd floor of Oglethorpe. All my family problems disappeared overnight. We're all taking so off that everything is fine. I'll just insert all of this and see what we can get.
Okay. But it's pretty. There's people in the water and they're insane.
After eating some Arby's, we're at Tybee Island. I've never been here before. I've lived in Savannah now for 3 years. And yeah, I've never been here. You like the beach?
Very much.
Man, I'm born at the beach, grew up around the beach, go to school to the beach. Everywhere there's a beach.
And yet you hate it.
I don't like the beach, I really don't. The sand, the
Oh
salt
no,
water.
it's warm and pretty and nice and everyone
Okay,
wants to go there.
the warm, pretty nice stuff. You know what's interesting is the ocean is. Just looking out at the ocean is one of the most boring things in the world.
Tybee will make you park everywhere and pay for it. Bye bye ocean.
Anchor!
Bye bye.
Colorful car!
Bye bye. Bye bye.
So having left Tybee, we wanted to come into downtown Savannah. One of the greatest things I can think of being a student here is that I can park in the classroom lots, so I don't have to pay to park. And then, if I need to use the bathroom, which I needed to do, I can do so in the actual buildings. I'm saving all kinds of time today. Now we're going down River Street. How would you describe River Street?
Old Town Savannah.
Yeah, it's like a
Tourist city.
tourist walkway, sidewalk thing.
See the cobblestones?
Yeah, and it's all old and stuff. The first scene of Captain Mac was filmed here. I like Earthbound.
I know you like Earthbound.
That's the saxophone player from the Pumpkinhead video. I danced for him. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. Right here, I did a project one time for computer art where I made so many Dan, as my foreign professor said. I just took a bunch of pictures of Dan here. I'm pretty sure it was right here, or something similar. Okay. Candy, 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 candy. Yeah, I've seen this Bakugan thing around. Maybe someone can explain to me what Bakugan is. Is it like the new Yu-Gi-Oh? Because I don't know. I'm sure someone watching knows what that is. It's a tapping machine. I gotta admit, everything looks delicious.
It's an aluminum bottle.
Weird. Dan would go crazy. Dan loves Sprite. Ashes of obnoxious children. That's funny.
She used to wait to every ship coming in the harbor.
She was unemployed and had nothing to do.
She was a woman.
Walking across the grass because it's the easiest way to get over to that big wall where we'll climb some steps that could potentially kill us. It's time for danger steps with the big caution sign. I have to say, sandals are not really appropriate footwear for climbing that. Because honest to God, like, that thing is scary as heck. Whatever.
That's fun.
Maybe they should cut this down. It's kind of in the way.
Just for you.
Just for me. It's that statue, but from over here. And also there's a couple making out, and they were making out whenever we approached it from the other side. It was very awkward. Do you guys agree that it's really awkward to show mass amounts of affection in public? Like, it's not really appreciated. I mean, I'll go up and I'll say, I love you, and I will hug her. But I mean, I'm not gonna, like, get down on the ground here in the park.
You wanna?
No, I think I'll pass. A lot of people come to Savannah because they really like the trees.
I like the trees.
I know, but if you're planning your vacation around trees, like, come on, they're trees. I mean, we got trees in Paula Deen, and also that stray slipper. But mostly just trees. Everything around River Street might seem familiar for a few reasons. If you've ever seen Bring Lucas to America, some of the locales may seem familiar because it was actually River Street that me and Dan came to make the video. Doesn't it look safe?
Can you imagine living there and having to cross that all the time to get to your house? And then like moving in to get to your house to carry all your furniture across that?
I'm going to be honest, that would scare me to death.
Me too.
And now moving away from River Street, we're walking up to Broughton, which is like the boardwalkish type place. And over here is the library. It starts there and goes all the way down there. It's a fountain. City Market. A farmer's market, but artsy stuff. We came over here to Wild Wing Cafe, and you can eat really cheap here because the Super Snacker sampler comes with all this garbage. Is $10, and then for $10 more you can get 12 wings, and we split them. And trust me, this is enough food for 2 people. So for $20, 2 people can eat. And if you've never had Wild Wing Cafe, you really should. It is really, really delicious. Nod, nod, nod. Just finished eating at the Wild Wing Cafe, and we're going to go up to Morningstar, and we're going to participate in the Friday Night Magic Draft. Your first event. You're growing up so fast. So we're going to go draft. Right?
Yes.
We lost.
If I would have survived one more turn, I would have won.
Steven, I'm wishing you an Easter that's as joyful as can be because you're such a blessing and you mean so much to me. Have a happy Easter, love, Grandma.
Wait, you get Easter cards?
She sends cards for like St. Patty's Day.
We played Left 4 Dead, and we played Amplitude, and we watched Rocko's Modern Life.
Yeah, but see, none of that stuff actually happened because the viewers never saw it. In an alternate reality, nothing actually happened. So now, we're in a space and time where it never actually occurred. So you got that one, that's pretty good, and you got 1, 2 of them, alright, and then we got one of these, yeah, that's not bad, and then this guy, and then, oh, I see, yeah, good.
Steven's going down.
I got Zephyr Sprite. Oh, it's over. We have to go to bed. We need to leave here by 4:30, which is a little under 3 hours. Gotta get up and go to the airport. The least favorite part of the trip. I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed and get a little sleep so I can take her to the airport. So